This is ALCATEL T110 Smart, and today I will show how you can set up parental controls for this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Accounts category, remove any Google accounts you have, then get back to the main Settings page, enter Google category, onwards you gotta tap at the Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next. Now sign into your child's Google account, which I will quickly do off the screen. So after the child's account was successfully logged into, you gotta select it from the list over here, and then sign into another Google account, this time to yours, or to Parental one to be exact. So once you will log into Parental account as well, the following step is the About Supervision page, so scroll it all the way down and input the child's Google account password once again. And then once you do that, tap at the Agree button to the or that is located at the bottom right corner of the window. Then hit the Allow Supervision at the pop-up window that follows, and wait for the parental and child accounts to get linked together. So once the two accounts are linked together, hit the Next button, and now we'll just quickly finish the setup. The app management step we can skip as for right now, since we will be also able to perfectly manage apps later on, and I don't think there is a need to stop our attention on it currently, since we are probably more focused on finishing the setup. The same can be said about the following step, that is the manage settings and filters. I think that's how it is called. So as I've already mentioned, we'll simply skip this step, then hit the skip button once again, and the child end of things is set up. Now you gotta take your parental device and download the Family Link app from the Google Play Store. So that is exactly what I'm going to do now. Here is the app. So launch the app once it is ready. Then make sure to sign in to the Google Family Link with the correct or proper account, Google account, the parental one. And here is the full list of controls you have an access to. So that would be it as far as setting up parental controls on this tablet goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.